function of the skeletal system. Okay, what is skeletal system? What is skeletal system? The whole, hmm, the system of bones. Okay, that are present in our body are called skeletal system. Okay, so how bones are joined? What are the names of bones? Okay, so all these are comes in skeletal system. So today we are going to study function of, ठीक है, फंक्शन मीन्स इसका काम क्या है स्केलेटल सिस्टम का हमारी बॉडी के अंदर. सो देयर आर 6 फंक्शन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज प्रोटेक्शन. प्रोटेक्शन, ठीक है. प्रोटेक्शन मीन ये संभाल करते हैं. किसकी संभाल करते हैं? द स्केलेटल सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट्स अ नंबर ऑफ वाइटल एंड डेलिकेट ऑर्गन्स. फॉर एग्जांपल द स्कल प्रोटेक्ट्स द ब्रेन. बेटा स्कल विच इज एट द टॉप पोर्शन ऑफ अवर बॉडी, ठीक है, स्कल. तो द स्कल बोन प्रोटेक्ट्स अवर brain. Okay, so our brain is present inside the skull. So skull protects our brain, middle and inner ears. So middle ear and inner ears, these are very vital and delicate organs. Okay, so they protect us. Skeletal system protect brain and middle and inner ear. Okay, and ribs and sternum, where the ribs and sternum are present in our chest. Okay, ribs and sternum are present in our chest. These are ribs and these are sternum. Okay, so first function of skeletal system is protection. Okay, it protects our brain. Skull protects our brain, middle and inner ear. Okay, so skull is present at the top portion of our body. Okay? And ribs and sternum are present in our chest. Okay, so the organs that are present in our chest, ribs and sternum protect them, like lungs, heart and major blood vessels. Okay, these organs are present in our chest, so ribs and sternum bone protect them. Okay, so so tell me, what is the first function of skeletal system? Tell me. Protection. How it protect our organ? Like skull. Skull is present at the top portion of our body. Okay. And also, what is inside the skull? What is inside the skull? Brain. Okay. So skull protects our brain and middle and inner ears. Okay. So second is uh, movement. Okay, so bones, skeletal system, tendons, ligaments and joints function together, making movements. Some joints permit movement to a wider and longer range other than others. For example, the ball and socket joint allows a greater range of movement than the pivot joint at the neck. In fact, the movement is powered by skeletal muscle, which are attached to the bones. But this skeletal system allow movements. Okay, like some joints are there. Some joints are there which helps us in the movement. Okay, so you will study further like ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket joint, ball and socket joint are present in our knees. Okay, ball and socket joint are present in our knees. So that's why we can move knees easily. Okay, so movement, we can move our body. Clear? Second is the skeletal system, the framework of the body supports the softer tissue and divide space in the digestive cells. Okay, the organs which are very soft. Okay, so without bones they cannot stand easily. The organs that are soft in our body. It is normally thing the thing which is soft. The thing which is soft, it cannot be stand easily. Okay, so we have to give them support. So skeletal system in our body is the support of that organ which are very soft. Clear? Production of blood cells. There is a chemical that is filled with the star. In this bone marrow, blood cells are produced and damaged cells are repaired. That bone marrow produces red blood cells and white blood cells and black blood cells. Okay, so bones or skeletal system are also helpful in the production of blood cells. Okay, so how skeletal system is useful? There are cavities. Cavities means holes in our bones. Small cavities are there in our bones. So when any blood cell want to repair, okay, so they repair in the bone marrow. Okay, so there is a material that is filled in the cavity called bone marrow. Okay, so by this bone marrow, blood cells are produced and the damaged blood cells are repaired. Okay, so in this way, skeletal system is also helpful in the production of blood cells or repairing of damaged blood cells. Next is storage of minerals. Bone tissue store various minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. So calcium and phosphorus are the minerals that are stored in our bone. So whenever our body needs, they can take from bones. Red bone marrow in bones also store iron. So red bone marrow stores iron. Okay, so there is iron in our body. Iron is also a mineral. If there is a lack of calcium in the body itself takes calcium from bones. If there is a lack, any deficiency of calcium in our body, then where from our body take from the bones. Okay. In fact, bone release minerals into the blood. In this way, bones help in making the balance of minerals in our body. Okay. So bones release minerals to our blood. Okay, so there is a balance. If there is any deficiency in our blood of minerals, they can take from bones. Okay, so sixth function is acid base balance. Acid. So acid which are sour in taste. Okay, and base which are bitter in taste. जो खट्टे होते हैं वो एसिड होते हैं और जो बिटर टेस्ट होता है जिनका वो these are base. Okay, so our body also contain acid and also contain base. So when there is a deficiency of acid, bones provide them. Okay, when there is a deficiency of base, bones provide them. Okay, so in this way, bones help in making the acid-base balance in our body. So this is our today's topic: function of skeletal system. The functions are protection. Skeletal system protect our body, all organs. Movement. Skeletal system helps in the movement of our body. Okay, support. It support our body. Without skeletal system, we cannot even stand. Okay, because our all organs are without bones, very soft. Fourth is protection of blood cells. Production of blood cells. New blood cells are produced in the cavity that are present in our bone. Damaged blood cells in the bone marrow. That is material which is present in the cavity. And it is storage of minerals. Okay, there are many minerals that are stored in our bones. If there is any deficiency in our body, bones provide them. Okay, sixth is acid base balance. If there is any deficiency of acid or base, then the system maintain the balance between acid and base. Clear? So these are the functions of skeletal system.